Hey everyone, Signofied LLC welcoming you back on our YouTube channel. Are you job hunting or updating LinkedIn? This one's for you. We compressed the biggest resume scares into quick fixes. Let's exercise the demons. Grab your coffee. 3 minutes, 5 deadly mistakes, and real fixes. Mistake 1. The ghost resume. It looks okay but says nothing. Hiring managers want impact, not duties. Fix it. Use action verbs. Led, created, improved. Add metrics. Increased engagement by 40% or save $10K annually. Show results instead of responsibilities. Voiceover tip. If your resume reads like a job posting, resurrect it. Mistake 2. Vampire buzzwords. Cliches that suck the life out of your resume. Words like motivated, detail-oriented, team player. Context matters. Instead of detail-oriented, try managed a $500,000 budget with 0 errors over 12 months. Instead of team player, say collaborated with cross-functional teams to launch a product in 3 months. Voiceover tip. Stake buzzwords through the heart. Replace with proof. Mistake 3. The zombie format. Cluttered, inconsistent, hard to read. If it looks like 2005, it needs a makeover. Fix it. Use clean, modern formatting and one font family. Use bullet points, not dense paragraphs. Make sure your LinkedIn matches your resume in tone and structure. Voiceover tip. Format equals readability. Make it scannable. Mistake 4. The spiderweb of irrelevance. Unrelated jobs that confuse your story. If every line doesn't support the role, you lose focus. Fix it. Tailor to the job. Highlight transferable skills. Remove outdated or unrelated roles unless they show leadership or growth. Voiceover tip. Every line should support your story. Cut the rest. Mistake 5. Typos. One misspelled word and credibility rots. Fix it. Use spell check and grammar tools. Read it out loud and have someone else review. Double-check contact info and LinkedIn URL. Voiceover tip. Don't let a typo send your resume to the trash. Quick recap. Focus on results, kill cliches, clean your format, stay relevant, and proofread. If this helped, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. What's the scariest mistake you've seen? This is Signofied LLC signing off for now. We'll catch you on the next video, so stay tuned.